Blue? All blue ready? Okay, here we go. Autonomous, match 42. 3, 2, 1, go. 3523A, quickly. Oh, they just missed with their base. And still moving. No autonomous. We'll let this play out. 3, 2, 1, go. Drivers now take control for the next 1 minute and 45 seconds. Who can score the most mobile bases? "3523" has their mobile base jammed into the corner, but they're trying to work its way out of there. There they get it. And they put that in the 10-point. 98126A moving a mobile base into the low position. 3523A scoring a cone on their mobile base. 65 seconds left to go in this match. 3523A putting a cone on one of the bases. Now they're going to try to push that back into the 10. And they get it in there. Working their way around the field is 3523A. Just missing with one of the cones. Now they're going to make another attempt. Red has a 10-point goal in. 285A. One red goal in. Can they make their way to the 20? They're trying to make their way back to that 20-point, and they get it done. Nicely done there by the red. That gives them a slight advantage. Blue now has 3. This is going to be a real close match here. Red also has one up on top with 14 seconds. 11 seconds. It couldn't come down to this last mobile goal. 3, 2, 1, go. So I think that's going to be in the low zone. This is going to be real close, real close. Good comeback there by the red.